Hi friends, we baked bread at home. What, you'll be shocked at the end.
Yes, so we started baking bread. We've assembled the ingredients. As you can see, everything is ready and we started. They say put sugar, we'll put sugar. Put water, we'll pour water. They say put yeast, we'll put yeast. We mixed everything and we put it aside as a good student. Next thing, they say in a dry container, we should put the flour, put sugar, put salt and mix everything. We don't mix so. I mix alone. Me and Kaka we mixed. Kaka mix personally. We join hand mix so that everything will work well. Then I said we should pour yeast. We poured yeast. We put milk. We put egg. We put butter. We started mixing. Everything was going well. We were happy with ourselves. So as they go. But next thing, everything changed. It was not looking like it should look. Everything we saw on YouTube, it was looking different. We could put vanilla, at least may not be like say we no put everything on. Then I say bring a flat surface. We brought flat surface, we poured it. I beg, whatever you are seeing now, even me, I am confused. I don't know whether na bread we dey bake again or been another thing. Kaka's mommy came and said we should put more flour inside so that it will be thick. We put more flour. It was not thickening.
At this point, our bread is not bready, no.
Brethren and sisters, that is not a lie. The bread did not bread at all. I don't know what this thing is. Anyway, we continued though. They said we should put it inside bowl and cover it with cloth. We covered. After 2 hours, we opened it. The thing puffed off. I was so happy. But when I pressed it, now that time I know say water don't pass Gary. Okoto has carried. Okotori has bad. Who dig this pit for me? Anyway, they said I should mix it very well. Then I should put it on a flat surface and knead. I did though. I decided to do what they said I should do. I did the kneading. I took my time to knead and knead and knead and knead. It did not work. Who dig this pit go fall inside. Remember when Kaka said you will be shocked at the end? If you are not shocked at this point, I wonder what else will shock you in this life. Anyway, we have already put butter on the pan. We spread butter on the pan. Then they said we should start molding it in small pieces and put in the pan. We did. Yes, we arranged everything so that it will look fine, hoping that a miracle will happen from anywhere. This is it, is ready. Even the remaining one, we'll put it in the second pan. We now use egg to rub on top. They say it's egg wash. We did egg wash. And we put it in the oven and waited for it to bake. It baked after some minutes. We brought it out to check. And finally, it all done, no? Whatever this is, I have no idea.
I don't understand this kind of bread, though. Auntie Nene, what is this? Is this bread or cake?
Nemo, I don't understand though. We have baked. Did we bake? Yes. Is it bread? I have no idea. Anyway, I don't even know what it tastes like. The taste is in between cake and bread. Please, do not try this at home. Ngwanu.
Bye.
Bye. See you in our next video.